Working with grade 6 kids, one of the biggest misconceptions that I see sometimes is that students will think of a particular operation or problem with fractions as just an algorithm to be applied. And if they haven't learned that algorithm very well, or if they have forgotten it, or if their understanding of it was shaky to begin with, then oftentimes they'll see a problem, especially those involving multiplication or division with fractions, as just kind of impossible or meaningless. Whereas if we can encourage students to think more flexibly, think in pictures, use what they know about the concept of multiplication or the concept of division, yeah, okay, let's do this one. Then those problems can become approachable again and possible and actually take on meaning for the students. For some, they'll see a fraction multiplied by a whole number and say to themselves, I don't know how to multiply a fraction by a whole number, I can't proceed. Whereas sometimes if we could encourage students to instead think of what they already know about, say, multiplication and what it means, or to think in pictures, we can come to a solution on a problem like this. So half times 18 really just means half of a group of 18. Just like 2 times 3 means 2 groups of 3, this means half a group of 18. And if a student can figure that part out, then they can fairly easily see that that would have to be 9. If they could think in pictures, then they might even be able to think like this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? That 9 ones are 9, but then 18 halves would also have to be 9. So either way, whether you remember this algorithm or not for how to multiply a fraction by a whole number, you can figure out what meaning this problem has by thinking about it more flexibly.